The design here is for an edible garden, so this is a sustainable design, and what I've done is run the plant schedule. I'll just illustrate by going plant schedules and show symbols with names that I've only worked on a small subset of the whole garden. All of the other planting to the top and bottom of the design I haven't tagged. What I want to illustrate is how you take information from a plant schedule out into Excel, and if you want, do some costing on it. Let me unselect all, and we'll go to gCADPlus and edit the plant list. I want to show you that the order of columns in your plant list is important. You must have them in the order: botanical name, common name, type, code, hot size and cost. We've also got a custom column over here, so that's where I could put notes about in this case, which parts of the plant, if you like, are edible. But you notice I put some arbitrary costings in here, along with some arbitrary pot sizes or container sizes for the plant. So we have our plant schedule attached. I've called it ediblegarden.gcp, so we can cancel from there now. And the next step to get that information out, the schedule's been created, so now it's gCADPlus, and come down here to extract schedule. I want to extract the plant schedule itself, and I'll leave it in the temp folder, and we'll call this sustainable. That's going to make a comma separated file, a CSV file, which we can save. And what we then need to do is to swing to Excel. Let me go down into my taskbar, and we'll start Excel with a blank worksheet. So we're going to go now to data, and we're going to get data from other sources, I think, or from text, maybe from text. And we need to go to our temp folder, and there's all files. Actually want a CSV here, and I think by doing that we can come down here to sustainable, and there's the information we want. And so we're importing it. The text import wizard starts. That gives you an opportunity of placing the information wherever you want it. So there, it's a comma separated file, so you can see the commas separating things out now. Next, and I'm going to put comma in here, and that puts me in some nice neat columns, and you see I have my costing. So we'll say, well, we'll go finish at this point, and we'll put it in the existing spreadsheet. You can open a CS file directly, but I wanted to show you that mechanism. Now those of you who used Excel know that we can widen columns by moving up here, neaten things up a little bit, and over here. So it's it being the extraction process is automatically totaled up the number of plants. Where we know we have 25 plants in the design, but let's say we want to total the cost. We could put total here, and then come over to this cell, and then just do, if we go back to the home, we can do an auto sum and tick that off, and that gives us a grand total of $49.70, and we might want to make that bold and make this total cost and so on. So I hope that shows you that the mechanism for getting information out and doing your costings. I stress that things won't work unless your GCP file has the columns in the correct order. And here's the original plant list that was submitted with this design, and you can see that it's missing type, it's missing the pot size column, and it's missing a cost column. So you can add those now on the fly if you want, but you do have to save the GCP file and then reload it in order for gCADPlus to see all that new information. But provided the file's in the right order, the columns are in the right order, it'll work.